Hey everybody, this is Mac from Minard's Leisure World. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new trailer on the lot. This is the Transcend XPLOR 261BH. Fairly new floor plan from a fairly new line, but from a very trusted manufacturer. This is a Grand Design product. Let's talk about what makes the XPLOR really special. I like the XPLOR because it brings the Grand Design quality to a little more accessible price point. So some things you're going to notice on this trailer: just regular tin siding. Still a nice quality tin, it's very durable, but they leave a lot of other nice touches on the trailer as well, like these magnetic baggage catches, very large open baggage compartments. You can see some of the biggest in the industry. They give you that nice water manifold at the other side there. This unit in particular comes with a power awning, nice large power awning, spans most of your camp space. We've got the nice aluminum tread steps with outdoor speakers. There's a little bit of an LED scare light there. We do have the ability to bring a TV out to our campsite as well. These guys leave a coax cable along with two 110 volt outlets here for us. And at the back side, we've got an outdoor kitchen. So really nice to see. This is pretty much the same outdoor kitchen that you see on like the full-size Transcends or the Imagines, save for the cooktop. You get some extra storage instead. There is a power outlet here, and then of course a little 110 volt fridge. So here we are inside the cabin of the 261BH. I mentioned what makes this thing special. It's the interior finishes, the quality of everything on board. You get the exact same cabinetry as the Transcend, which is the exact same cabinetry as the Imagine, same as the Reflection, and all the way up. So it's a really high quality interior that's going to last a long time. They use real hardwood fronts. You'll notice a stainless steel undermounted sink. This particular floor plan has pretty decent counter space for the size of trailer that it is, and they use the nice seamless countertops. Over here on our slide out, this is what makes this one unique. It's very similar to the 247, but with a slide. On the slide out we get our cooktop with a bifold glass cover, reminiscent of the Transcend. We've got our microwave up above, and then our two-way refrigerator. This is a 6 cubic foot, so standard size, and below there's a little doggy dish drawer there. Now a little bit of a difference on this one, coming back further down on our slide out, this one comes with the tri-fold sofa rather than a jackknife or rollover sofa. So this rolls out to almost a queen size bed. Very easy to sleep two adults if you have some unexpected guests. Another really neat feature of this 261BH is our little grab and go area right by the entry door. So you've got a bit of counter space with a power outlet, good spot for maybe charging phones or that sort of thing. But lots of little cubbies for the flip-flops, the shoes, the sunscreen, and even a couple of drawers for your more valuable stuff like the keys and wallets and all that kind of stuff for before you go to the beach. So it's a nice, convenient center that everything can be dropped at. Across from the slide out on our campsite is our bench dinette. Now this dinette does drop down into a bed. There's a couple of cabinet doors to access our storage underneath the seating. Really convenient to access it. You don't have to lift the seating. We've got a good sized camp window with those blackout blinds and a spot for a TV. Now if you come to us with a really nice swivel mount, I'd be happy to mount that for you. That way you can bring the TV around for the kids to have a movie night, or you can bring it a little closer to the sofa, whatever you like. At the rear of the coach are our bunk beds. These are a nice double bunk. It's very easy for kids to climb up and get in. If they can't quite climb up this way, they can always go up the dinette side. And you'll notice they've got night lights. So if your kids are worried about walking around in here in the dark, you can flip on those night lights. It's conveniently located right in their bunk beds. They also have their own power outlet and USB ports. At the very back of the coach is our bathroom. You'll notice we get a full-size shower with shower surround and a foot flush toilet. To the left of the shower are some little cubbies for towels and the like. There's a couple of hooks for hanging towels. We get a standard medicine cabinet and vanity. So it's a full three-piece bath. In the very front of the coach is our master bedroom. In Grand Design fashion, they use a full queen size bed. This is a 60 by 80. They give you the large cubby up above to stash stuff, and then the full height closets with, again, another little cubby drawer underneath. Each side is going to have power. One side also has USB ports. There's a couple of windows in here, and even a TV backer location with all the hookups. Another good point is that this trailer is fully ducted, AC and heat, so everybody's getting equal air distribution. So to wrap things up here, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this video walkthrough of the Transcend XPLOR. This is the brand new 261BH. Now, some really key points for you to remember. This is a higher quality entry-level trailer. It's made by a really reputable company, Grand Design. They are the hottest manufacturer out there right now. Some specific features of this trailer: oversized tank capacities. We've also got a little bit better insulation properties on this unit. So if you want to extend that season and not pay the really high price tag, this is a great way to do that. Interior finishes are really good. They're going to be very durable, last a long time while still looking great for the life of the trailer. So if you really want to come out and see the XPLOR and see what it's all about, I highly recommend it. Come see us at Minard's Leisure World. You can also see more at minardsleisureworld.com, or if you want to watch more walkthrough videos, follow us on YouTube.